Pause for a moment and reflect. How often do you truly give thanks for what you have in your life? It's common to focus on complaints, notice adversities, and everything we dislike. But have you stopped to consider how often you actually give thanks? I invite you to do so, as you will see how your perspective of the world transforms. Facing life by appreciating the positive rather than clinging to the negative leads to a state of greater happiness and practicality. Yet, we often find it easier to focus on the negative, such as past experiences that no longer have a solution, or future uncertainties that affect us in the present without certainty that they will happen. This is why I have decided to create this meditation. I encourage you to listen to it whenever you need it, especially for 21 days. It is said that this is the time needed to form a new habit and consolidate learning. The brain, with its cunning, adopts strategies through repetition, forging routines that are etched into our memory. However, it is crucial to remember that good habits require continuous care. Although this meditation is an initial impulse towards a new mindset, the key is in perseverance and nurturing every thought with love throughout your life. Thoughts are the most powerful tool of the human being. Treat them kindly, and you will see a radical change in your life. So let's begin. Absorb my words deep within your being, with an open and receptive mind. I am grateful for my hands, my feet, the air I breathe. I'm grateful for the wind, the breeze that caresses my face, for the sun, the trees, the flowers, all of nature. I'm grateful for the rain that nourishes, for the essential water, for the vast sea, the dawns that mark new beginnings, for the sky adorned with clouds, and for the sweet aromas that surround me. I'm grateful for the vitality of my heart, for the precious life that has been given to me, for inner strength, for every taste I experience, for the food that sustains me. I'm grateful for the ability to feel, for moments of joy, for future successes, for lessons learned from the past, even those born from suffering, for the opportunity to learn something new with each passing day, for the laughter that relieves, for the humor that lights up dark days. I'm grateful for the imagination that allows me to dream, for the people who have been by my side in times of need, for the valuable lessons received from others. I'm grateful for daily personal growth and improvement, for the time that allows me to do and enjoy so many things. I'm grateful for the music that enriches the soul, for the art that beautifies the world, for this present moment, for the mobility that allows me to explore the world. I'm grateful for the omnipresent beauty, for the curiosity that leads me to discover new places, for the forests and cities that offer shelter and adventure. I'm grateful for my favorite moments, for the clarity that dispels my fears, for the consistency in my effort, for the love I receive. I have the privilege to give. I'm grateful for my work, for the leisure that revitalizes me, for being here and now, freeing myself from negativity and cultivating day by day a more positive and prosperous mind. I'm grateful for the ability to move forward in my life with increasing self love, for my home, my body, temple of my soul, for my unique and irreplaceable identity. And for my talents. I'm grateful because each day presents itself as a new opportunity to enjoy life, decide to be happy, and live in peace with myself and others.